Okay, so here we have 4D, evaluate expressions. Evaluate means work it out. Take the information you have and find an answer. So it also shows us what we are talking about when we say variable. Because in the problem that I would call number 1, it tells us that y equals 3. Here, x equals 10 and y equals 9. X equals 6. X equals 2. So you can see the letters could be almost anything depending upon what is being asked or what someone wants you to do. So now you can also see that they are trying to test several things together. One, to see if you know and understand the principles of substitution. So x is 10, that means you could put 10 in place of this x. You could substitute the 10 for the x. If y equals 9, you could substitute the y for 9. If x equals 6, you could put 6 here. If x equals 2, you could put 2 here and 2 here. If y equals 3, you could put a 3 instead of y, a 3 instead of y, and work out what you have. So they're testing that. They're also testing to see if you understand the order of operations. P, E, D, M, A, S, or P, E, M, D, A, S. Parentheses, exponents, division, or multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So you can see how easy it is to confuse them. So that's why I suggest that you write it down until you actually have it. So the order of operations is P, E, D, M, A, S. Parentheses, exponents, division. Oh, see, I still have it right. I still have it wrong. P, E, M, D, A, S. Or maybe it doesn't make any difference one way or the other. So we'll see. P, E, D, M, A, S, or P, E, M, D, A. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. We'll check it and see if either way it still works exactly the same. So what do we do here? In place of the y, we put 3. So we have 6 times 3 cubed minus 21 plus 6 times y squared plus 6 times y squared, which is 3 squared, plus 18 divided by 3. Let's go through and do all the substitution together. So we can skip around now. This is closest to me, so instead of x, I put 6. So that'll be 3 times 6 squared minus 9. Instead of x, I'll put 10. Instead of y, I'll put 9. So 5 times 10 squared minus 45 divided by 9, subtract 7 plus 13. That's what I would have. Here I put 2 in place of x, and I get 2 cubed plus 2 minus 3. So now I've done all this substitution, and now I just have to work out the situation. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or parentheses, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So let's see. 3 cubed, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 times 6. So that's 6 times 27. take away 21. Plus 3 squared is 9 times 6 is 54. That's 54. Plus 18 divided by 3 is going to be 6. So I've eliminated the parentheses here. I haven't completed the multiplication, but I've eliminated the parentheses, eliminated the exponent, eliminated the exponent, eliminated the parentheses. So now I'm ready to work here. Here I've eliminated, well, I've substituted. So 6 squared is 36 times 3. 36 times 3, take away 9. So 10 squared is 100 times 5 will be 500. I can do that easily. Take away 45 divided by 9 minus, get rid of this parentheses, will be 20. So 2 cubed is 8 plus 2 take away 1. So it's going to be 8 plus 2 take away 3. I said 1, but it's really 3. So now, what have I done? I've eliminated, I've done my substitution. I multiplied. I haven't finished this multiplication right here. I haven't finished this multiplication, but I've got everything. So let's just do this multiplication. 6 times 27. 27 times 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry 4. 6 times 2 is 12, and 4 is 16. So 162, take away 21, plus 54, plus 6. That's where I am. So now I just have straight subtraction, addition, go from left to right. 3 times 36. So 36 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18, carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 is 10. 108 minus 9. So I can easily do that. 8 plus 2 is 10, minus 3 is 7. So I can see this. This is going to be 7. So now, from left to right, I got multiplication, division. I have no multiplication, but I do have division. So I have to have 500 minus 45 divided by 9 is going to be 5. So I'm going to come down here where I have space. 500 minus, but I have to do this division first. So 45 divided by 9 is 5, so it's minus 5 minus 20. So 108 take away 9 is 99. That's what I'm coming up with here. We'll see if it's correct. We have 7. We'll see if that's correct. And 500 minus 5 minus 20 is 500 take away 25. So that's going to be 475. Can just see that. You probably can too. So we'll see if this is right. Then we have 162 take away 21 is 141. 141. That's what I get right here. 162 minus 21. 2 take away 1 is 1. 6 take away 2 is 4. 141 plus 54. So 141 plus 54 is 195 plus 6 equals 201. So let's see. Rather than waste tape out, well, let's see. So we got the first one, 201 is answer B. So that choice B would match what we have. We have, let's see, 99 is letter A here. 475 is choice B. And let's see what is, so choice here is choice A. So we're assuming that we've done okay. And you can get some more practice for sure as you go on Study Island. So I'm going to stop here. We have one last thing to do is evaluate expressions again that are called equivalence expressions. So I'll clean this off. We'll come back for the final thing.